Khosla from Khosla Electronics Private Limited, Kolkata, and I'm here at the LG office to see their latest large screen premium television, the LG QNED85 mini LED Smart TV. Built for immersive entertainment, intelligent experiences and next generation viewing. Let's begin the unboxing. Inside the package we have the LG Magic Remote, installation accessories, documentation, stand components, and of course the stunning 75-inch display. As expected, with a television of this size, two-person handling is recommended, and once it's out of the box, the premium design immediately stands out. Now for the exciting part, first power on. The LG QNED85 combines to deliver exceptional brightness, richer contrast and remarkable color accuracy. Every frame feels sharper, brighter and more lifelike. The Alpha 8 AI processor continuously analyzes the content in real time. Sports become smoother, movies become richer, voices become clearer. The television intelligently adapts picture and sound based on what you are watching. Today's television is more than just entertainment. With the LG QNED85, you actually don't need to pull out your mobile phone. Explore destinations, search information, discover content and interact using intelligent AI features directly from your couch. The LG QNED85 can now also become the hub of your connected home, helping you manage compatible smart devices directly from your television. For movie lovers, gamers and sports fans, QNED85 delivers immersive entertainment with stunning visuals, responsive gameplay and cinematic sounds. Extensive connectivity options ensure you're ready for everything from gaming consoles and soundbars to streaming and smart home devices. This LG QNED85 is just not a bigger screen. It's a smarter way to experience entertainment, information, gaming and connected living.